But I just wanted something that was like a little bit longer. Hey, what's up guys? Thursday morning, and I'm excited because there's snow out. We had a storm a few days ago, and they were calling 3 to 6, but we ended up only getting like a quarter of an inch. I did not go out because I just didn't, I didn't want to charge my customers for a quarter of an inch, you know? Plus my trigger's 1 inch. Yeah, this is what it's like. I just got done doing my driveway. Load up my snowblower, shovel, ice melt. Got 5 on the schedule today. One of the guys who is kind of like a, I'll text you if I want snow removal. He just texted me a little bit ago and wanted me to do his place. So it's actually pretty exciting. I think the last snowstorm I went out was maybe a month ago. There just hadn't been much snow in Denver this year. But you know, other parts of the country are getting like, they're measuring in feet. You know, I have a head strap for my camera, so I was maybe thinking about putting that on for POV type stuff. I don't know. But yeah, anyway, new thing is my new intro. I spent quite a few hours putting that together last night. I did download a template for it. They had pictures instead of actually video for the backgrounds, so I went ahead and added that in. I'm real excited about it. I think it's really cool. Try to pick a really good song, nice upbeat one. I think it worked out real well. Yeah, with that intro, I changed the colors. They were red and white, but I changed them, you know, more to lawn care ninja colors. The little flicker of the ninja head, they were like pluses, and they were just kind of like doing that same thing. Hold on here, gotta wait for people to go through the stop sign. So I just ended up swapping out my logo for that one. I think it looks pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. I did post it on Instagram and got a few answers there saying that they think it's pretty cool too. Hopefully that just makes me stand out a little bit more, you know. Want to get into more vlogs and, you know, like in the intro, how-tos. I'm gonna be having a how-to video of my 2021 service inquiry survey. I actually have a Google Doc. I just email out to all my customers through MailChimp. That's how I take care of that instead of actually like printing them and putting them in the mail. So I'm gonna be doing that here shortly. I sent it out yesterday morning, Wednesday morning. I've already gotten, I think, 17 or 20 responses out of 90 sent, I think it was. So yeah, for one day, not bad. If the days go on and I don't get more responses, I'll actually then reach out either with a phone call or a text message, because I have a feeling it might have gone into spam folder. All right, well, I will see you guys at the first one. This is kind of like the second time this has been done before I got here. I think it's probably a neighbor, but it's just this right here and right there, so. Man, you get a workout when you're shoveling snow. And there's like not that much, you know? I don't know, it just feels good to get out and work. And I love that snow shovel, that Earthway. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys have something like that, or if you just have like a smaller shovel. I did have that smaller orange shovel that you've probably seen in my other snow videos. But I just wanted something that was like a little bit longer. And, you know, for like these walks and stuff. So that way I don't have to take the snowblower up the steps and possibly end up breaking part of it or something. So that's why I wanted to get that Earthway shovel. And this is the first storm that I've used it. And I wish it had sides so the snow wouldn't go out on the sides. But other than that, it gets snow pretty good. And it's long, so. All right, yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one.